Step 1. Dismantle the conveyor belt of the powder filling machine. Remove the chain plate first. Take out the red glue. Ejecting the strip holder with a screwdriver. Untie the conveyor belt after removal. Loosen left and right transition plate screws. Pull out the conveyor belt. The concealer also removed the conveyor belt. Loosen screws on both sides of transition plate. Take out. Pull out the conveyor chain. Separate connection plug. Loosen the sensor screw. The labeling machine takes out the conveyor belt. Loosen the conveyor belt chain first. The regulator should be adjusted on both sides. Loosen the guardrail. Then loosen the transition plate. Disassemble conveyor belt. Notice that the fixing screw here has a pattern tight end. So take it on the other side. To screw or hammer out. Conveyor belt untied. Conveyor belt chain plate pull out. Step 2. Dismantle the conveyor belt. Loosen the screws on the left and right. Loosen screws on the left and right. Loosen the 4 screws in the middle. The same way the conveyor belt is broken. The same way the labeling machine disassembles the conveyor belt. Unplug the motor connector for the conveyor belt of the labeling machine.